for that at its next meeting in June.
What's the deal on that tornado situation?
Well, what we've got still across southeastern New Mexico, Eddy and Lee counties, it's right along the county line here that we're watching, and then a few cells back behind it, which are very, very strong. These are some strong cells, but this is the cell we continue to watch. It is showing some slight weakening as it comes off to the north and east, but obviously a very significant storm and prompting the Weather Service in Midland to issue a tornado warning with this particular cell. No official word on what they're going to do now, and we'll see what happens here over the next few minutes, but this storm's still strong enough to produce large hail, very gusty winds, and if you're in the path of this thing as it approaches places like, I think it's going to go north of Lovington, but toward Tatum here, please be careful. You want to be inside a large building, you want to get out of outbuildings and things like that, because this thing is strong enough to cause some real problems there. And as you can see back behind it, we really now have a line of storms that continue to march off to the east at about 30 miles an hour. So moving very, very quickly, and a very, very strong set of storms right here. So please take cover if you're in any of these areas. There are other storms out there, relatively quiet in the metro. Some scattered showers developing off to the north here, and some stronger thunderstorms. One getting ready to push into the Espanola area as we speak, and a few more headed up into the northern mountains right now. This will continue over the next few hours before later on tonight things start to die down. But as you can see right here, that's where our tornadic thunderstorm is, and that's why we have that tornado warning in red right in the corner of Eddy County and starting to head into Lee County as well. Obviously, we're still dealing with severe thunderstorms as well. Those are the orange areas around the red area that you're seeing there, and that's those other two storms back behind that tornadic thunderstorm. What you're seeing in yellow are tornado watches throughout the rest of this evening until 7 p.m. So obviously the watch area is verified out, and we've seen obviously some very strong storms. And we got one picture from Grayson here that shows us a Hagerman storm. Pretty strong stuff out there. We had some large hail reported outside Hagerman. Roswell got large hail earlier as well. Sheila Ortega sent this picture in. We'd love to see your pictures. If you have them, pics, PICS at KRQE.com. 66 in the metro right now. Things pretty quiet for us. Across the northeast, cool air hanging out. That's good news for them because it's not allowing strong thunderstorms to form across northeastern New Mexico. Down to the south, temperatures for the most part in the 70s and 80s. Wind gusts very, very strong. Metro nearly 40 miles an hour. That's going to continue out of the east as that cooler air funnels its way back toward us here. But for the most part, the winds 20 to 30 miles an hour at a gust across the state here. And we have a trough still sitting to our west combined with moisture across the east. So as this trough passes tonight, we'll continue with scattered thunderstorms. A few could be strong, and obviously we've had to deal with a few tornadoes as well throughout the day tomorrow. The good news is the moisture starts to abate a bit. We draw in drier air across the state here. Tomorrow looks like a pretty nice day unless you're in extreme eastern New Mexico where we still could get some spot storms. But as we head into Sunday, I think everybody's going to be looking at some nice weather and a vast improvement. In fact, you can see that with our storm track. Things starting to calm down out there and not as much in the way of showers into tomorrow. So some spot stuff possible, but not like we've seen for today. Region by region for you, we are dealing with temperatures in the Four Corners in the 60s and 70s, mostly sunny skies and light winds out there. And as you can see with the 7-day, things are actually going to be pretty good across the area for the weekend. South and west temperatures for the most part 70s and 80s, sunny and mild conditions. Didn't see much happen across the southwest today. Tomorrow looks good too. Southeast, we will not see the kind of severe weather we've seen today, but scattered showers will be possible with temperatures in the 70s. Your extended Roswell forecast looks pretty quiet actually Sunday and into Monday. North and east, a lot of cloud cover today stopped a lot of big time thunderstorms from forming. And what we're going to see for tomorrow is temperatures in the 60s and 70s, partly sunny with a spot chance of a shower. Same deal across the northern mountains. So overall, a better setup. And your 7-day forecast for Santa Fe actually looks pretty good over the next few days in through Monday. East Mountains, still the chance of a spot storm tonight. And gusty winds out there. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, pretty good setup. And here in the metro area, mostly sunny for us as well for tomorrow. Temperatures in the mid-70s. 7-day forecast across the Albuquerque area, warming nicely by Sunday, high of 81 degrees. And again, watch southeastern New Mexico. We continue that tornado warning, Eddy County.
All right, thank you, Mark. Sports is next.